I flew in from Tucson, Arizona to Beverly Hills to check out MOVA's newest outdoor tech in person. This isn't a typical product demo, it's a private invite at a residential property to show how their outdoor tech works in a real home environment. Today, I'm getting hands-on with two of their newest products in their ecosystem, the LiDax Ultra 3000 AWD robot lawnmower and the Diver A10 robot pool cleaner. Even though MOVA is a relatively new company established in 2024, they have made huge advances in the last few years with their AI technology and whole home ecosystem. I'm excited to see them in action in a real house setting. So let's start with the robot lawnmower. The first thing you notice watching the LiDax Ultra 3000 AWD operate is how aware it is of everything around it. This mower uses 360-degree 3D LiDAR along with dual HDR cameras to build a detailed 3D map of the lawn in real time. In yards with multiple shapes and sections, like this one here, that awareness helps it navigate smoothly around edges and various borders. Another feature being demonstrated here is AI-assisted auto mapping. Instead of installing boundary wires, this mower scans the yard automatically and creates a virtual boundary. Watching it map multiple lawn sections shows how quickly it builds a working layout of this space. One thing that stands out here is how the mower transitions between different shaped lawn areas. The Ultra Drive all-wheel drive system, powered by 4 hub motors, helps maintain steady movement as it travels between different zones of the property and across changing terrains and surfaces for that matter. It can even tackle slopes up to 80%. This drive system in the 3000 is really impressive. The last major feature on the mower is the high-powered dual cutting disc that allows wider coverage and consistent results across different shapes, lawns, and terrain for that matter. Now let's move over to the pool area where Diver A10 robot pool cleaner comes into play. I've reviewed a lot of swimming pool cleaners on my channel, so I'm pretty experienced in what works and what doesn't. The first thing to highlight here is that the Diver A10 is the suction power, up to 6,000 gallons per hour. That allows it to capture debris ranging from fine particles to leaves. Another important feature is runtime. The Diver A10 can operate for up to 240 minutes on a single charge, allowing extended cleaning coverage. One of the more visible features is the dual waterline cleaning system. It scrubs the waterline twice and reaches slightly above the edge of the water to remove buildup that typically collects along the swimming pool's waterline. The final feature that I thought was very cool here is the edge pulse precision tracking. The system keeps the cleaner aligned along the pool edges for consistent coverage. This is something that will really help in tighter spaces and corners of your pool. Seeing all of these systems operate together really shows how we can automate our backyards to do a lot of the heavy lifting for us. I'm really glad that I made the trip out here to Beverly Hills because it really gave me the chance to see the systems perform and work together in a real residential setting. I'll continue capturing footage while I'm here and testing how they perform across the lawn and the pool area, and really getting a first-hand look at all of the things that MOVA is bringing to the home cleaning, maintenance, and routine tasks ecosystem that you guys probably deal with all the time. Be sure to smash the subscribe button because I'm going to be bringing all these tools and home automated robots, specifically the robot pool cleaners and lawnmowers, into a TV near you.